Hello everyone, welcome back to Newbie TV channel. From now, I want to show you how to make an email Google without a phone number. Okay, let's check it out. First of all, you can type a gmail.com and then you can create an account. Okay, you can use whatever your name want and your email like this. I want to try to make another account, but I use another name. Let's try this. We have another choice for the name of Mia Kumala because there are another user using the same name, so we can choose the Google one or we can try another name. Let's put it your password here. And next. Okay, in here usually Google asks for number, but sometimes when your IP is different, you can use another email account to sign in Google. We can put it here. Put it your birthday date, and your gender. Next. Okay. Next again. Okay, now you got your email account, making a Gmail account without a phone number. But before you finish, you have to verify your another email that we used before. This, and we can verify it. Just click next, and then you can go into your another email account and get the verified number. Okay, it's done. Your account, your another email is already verified. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe my channel. Thank you.